This is very important. So this is very important aspect of the SQL programming. So this is like a string aggregator. String aggregator. So now you have a select statement. So select star from products. If I say products, what will happen? All the products in the list will come down. Okay. But what I want to have a product in one line. All the product name in one line. Okay. In that case, what should I do? One line means I want like this: chocolate, comma, chips, comma. Okay. Chips, comma, iPhone, comma, all comma, comma I want. So in that case, my string aggregator function will work. So string underscore agg of aggregator. Okay. Of name. Of name. So if I run this string aggregator, okay, I think this should have a string aggregator should have with what I should say. With what I should say. The aggregator should be with separation of what. So then only it will work. So see, all the rows has become into column. You understood? That particular
Yes,
row
sir.
has been become into column. All 33 rows has become into one column. So you can convert rows to columns, columns to rows. So tomorrow you have stored the data like this. You can convert this data into rows using a what? How to convert rows to column? I'll tell you later. Unnest. Using unnest is the next function. I'll tell you that. So let us consider. Let us consider this is a point. This is a place where we want to convert the data into string aggregator rows and columns. So now let us go and see a normal function. What is that? Select star from products. So if you see here, what we have done normally. So this is a normal table which have rows. But what we want, our client requirement was convert all the rows into a single column. Yes, is that possible? Yes, it is possible in Python. Sorry, in Postgres. So what is this Postgres? This converts, right? Are you
At
clear?
a time, all columns, any columns ni convert cheyocha, sir.
You can convert, but based on the requirement. It's like, see, so tomorrow what they will tell you. Based on the price, you can group. So they will tell you like this. Okay. Based on the price, you want to group it and show. Okay. Now you have how many based on the price? The same. We have anything? Do we have anything? Same. Yes, we have some. Right? Have some. Correct. So what we'll do? We'll say group by price. See here, this particular value has been 2 times, right? So we'll say price. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir, clear.
So I want to see not only convert a whole rows into columns. I want to group by row, a group by some what do you say, particular column, and I want to convert that particular rows into columns. Okay. So it's like we have multiple prices. Okay. So now let us consider a stock. We can take a stock market data. The entire stock market data we can put in 1 month and say, so on which all days the stock price is going down. You want to find out. So then it can be useful, right? On which all day that stock price is consistent. I can tell, okay, the stock price is consistent this many days. This has went down, the stock price has come down. Am I clear? day by day stock values we can observe, or how it will be if it is a Monday, if it is a week starting day, how the data will be. If it is a Friday, if it is a weekend day, how it will be. You want to understand? Yes, that can be done by using where?
Group by.
I didn't get you. Can you tell me once again? Can you tell me once again?
Group by చేసుకొని చేయొచ్చు అన్నట్టు.
Group by. So using a group by. Very good. Group by. Okay. So now, apart from this, do you have any functions? Do you know any functions? Yes. We will jump into another function. Okay. So how will I find out a current date in the system? Current date in a system. So this particular example will take a snapshot, and then we will move on to the further ones. This is the one, and this will say but not group by. Are you clear now? Where are we? What are we doing? And where are we doing? Yeah. So in 10-minute session will end. You rejoin again. I'll tell you when to rejoin. I'll ask you to rejoin. So this is also one slide, so that you don't want to refer anything. Just you want to see this and understand what we are doing. Okay, age function. What is that? Age function. I want to find out the difference between 2 days. That particular function